Good morning, guys. Let me turn on the lights. I guess it's a little better. I mean, it's already morning, so I don't know. Let me open the blinds. Yeah, feel me? Good morning, guys. I don't know if you guys just saw, but while I was opening up the blinds, one of them fell. So we're gonna have to call maintenance to come clean. We're gonna open it up to get some natural lighting. I think it's this way. Let me do it. Perfect. All right. So this is how the lighting looks. Not too bad. Let me turn off these lights because we have natural lighting and we don't really need to waste electricity. So right now it is Monday. Let me get you by the sun. It is Monday, October 28th. It is 12:15. I just got done with my interview at like 12 o'clock. It was like 11:30 to 12, but literally it ended early. They just asked me a couple questions. I met with one other manager and like two other previous workers that I've saw before. For the first interview, I'm happy, I'm blessed. I have I got the second interview because it's a 2-interview process. So hopefully by the end of this week, your girl will know if she has a new position at the hospital. I'm praying I do because I don't want to overwork myself paying for this apartment because I know I could do it. But at the same time, it's like I have other things I have to save money for that I will tell you guys later on. But yeah, mama got big bills coming up in the future, big responsibilities coming up in the future. So this new position that I'm getting, I'm praying it into existence, that I'm getting will solely pay for rent without me doing OT or a second job, which I am blessed. If I get this job, I would be so blessed. But on a note, I will still keep my other job. As you know, your girl has 3 jobs. One per diem, one part-time, and then obviously my full-time. But I would just keep the per diem since I could pick up shifts whenever I want to. And it's like it's a job that I don't want to get rid of because you never know when you're gonna need that extra cash. So all they require is 3 shifts a month, and for you to do like all the trainings and all that good stuff, and you could literally go anywhere, like any house. I'm just pretty sure you guys know. It's kind of like a home care kind of vibe, easy, light work. Obviously, I'm still doing YouTube, growing as we are speaking. So hopefully, once this YouTube channel kicks off, then I won't need the second job. But yeah, and then I do plan on going back to school. So we'll see how all that mix in. As soon as I get the okay that I get this job, the hours are 10 to 6, magnificent. If I get this job, when I get this job, sorry, then I'll be able to apply for school December, I think is the latest. Yeah, so it'll be December, I'll apply. And it's online, so it's even like amazing. Get that out of the way for my master's, and then we are good at life, hopefully. With this economy, you just never know. But yeah, so I got not my blender. I got my microwave, and I also got like my bathroom, like all of my bathroom supplies. So I want to just like literally just do it right now. I'm going to show you guys. Let me put this here because my hands are in. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys my microwave. I'm not sure where I want to put it. Maybe here, I don't know. So we're just gonna organize a little bit. I'm gonna shower because I just threw this on because I had to go pick up the microwave, and then I had to drop some stuff off at the office, at the leasing office. So yeah, so we're gonna do that, eat, clean. Ace is literally in my car, like he won't get out. So I'm just gonna let him rock. We're gonna clean the walls as well, so. So this is the microwave. I have, what is it, Black and Decor, whatever. I wanted the, what did I want? I wanted the smart microwave. But to be honest with you, like, do I really need a smart microwave? Like I don't really need a smart microwave. I just need a microwave to heat up my food and call it a day. So this is what we're gonna do. So I think I'm gonna put the microwave here in this area. So I'm just gonna move everything, sanitize, and then, oh, is my address showing? Sorry. Move everything, sanitize, and then just put it right here in the corner. And yeah, so let's do that. And the good part is that Ace's cage is coming Wednesday. So that's good for me because now I can like literally work and not have to worry about him like having to use the bathroom and stuff like that. So he could literally just pee and, you know, do number 2 in his little playpen area, which I'm so excited that it's coming Wednesday. And then I feel like, I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but I feel like I want to work room to room in getting the house settled. I don't want to rush. I'll put that in. Yeah, so I don't want to rush. So like right now, all the bathroom stuff is done, so I can check the bathroom out of the way. So next we're gonna do my bedroom. I have my bed coming Saturday, November 2nd. Just to put a timestamp on it, just because like I forget, and I have like videos that I haven't put into a movie yet. Like they're just random videos. So I'm trying to figure out like how I want to space them out. But yeah. So I definitely want to work room to room. I want to start with upstairs first, just because I want to. Don't get me wrong, like I'll add a little mixture because I do need chairs for the living room. Like I need bar stools. So I'm still trying to decide if I want to finish the whole upstairs first or just finish my bedroom and the bathroom and then come downstairs and do the kitchen. I'm still trying to decide, but nevertheless, I'm still getting my bar stools regardless if I do upstairs, because I need somewhere where people come to visit so they could sit. So that's like important for me. I'm just like rambling, guys. Like, I do need to go grocery shopping. I have like little essentials that'll like keep me alive for like the next following week or two. And plus, like, I could always ask my mom to like bring me food and stuff like that. Or like when she cooks, because my father is trying to like own a restaurant. So like when she cooks, I would ask her to like save me some stuff, and then she'll just save it for me and I can bring it. Ace is literally sleeping in the car, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. Whoever said believe the man, we're so wrong. Because the girl needs a man to do all the heavy lifting. Because my goodness. Getting this from, thank God, like our mailroom is on the first floor. So I didn't have to go down any steps. Thank God. But yeah, so when I was holding it, like I was worried about how I'm gonna open the door. Thank God this lady was coming and she held the door for me. And I was like, thank you so much. She was like, you're welcome very much. I was like, ew. But yeah, it was nice of her. And then getting it inside my little vehicle was another issue, kind of, because the door wouldn't close. It's just the echo in here is crazy. Crazy. I think like I honestly activated my sciatica again because I was doing a lot better and now I'm starting to feel it a little bit. I don't know, I think I want to make it higher just because of how it opens. I'm not too sure yet. Alright, so my madre is coming to the house finally tomorrow, hopefully. Finally and hopefully. So we'll see what she has to say about it. So we're trying to clean up a little bit. Have it smelling fresh. Perfect. Ah, this is so beautiful. All right, we're good. I don't know, like, should I put this? Right, that looks good. I don't know, are you supposed to have the microwave so close to the fridge like this? I know it's supposed to be like close to the oven, the stove and stuff like that, but I don't know about it being so close to the fridge. So I think this is good right here. Another spot I was thinking of putting the microwave was here, but I don't know. I might switch it up depending on when I finish getting everything settled and see how I feel about it. But as of right now, I'm going to leave it here and then put my kettle over there. And yeah, we're going to start mopping the walls. All right, y'all. So this is definitely not the correct mop to mop the walls, but it's getting it done. So who am I to like yada yada yada? You know what I mean? Right now, I'm just doing some like light mopping down here. I'm not even gonna touch upstairs yet because upstairs is carpet. So before I do like the bathroom stuff, I will, just like mop a little and vacuum. Well, I don't really need to vacuum that area because the bathroom is not carpet. So yeah, so we're just gonna mop down here a little bit. The walls are pretty spotless. Just finished it up. Just gonna mop the floor, and we're gonna call it a day because I'm gonna make breakfast because I have to go to work and I still have to shower. So that's it. We're gonna do. I think I'm gonna close it off here just because there's nothing else I wanted to show you guys. Maybe I'll show you guys me making breakfast, but that's it for the vlog. I have other stuff to take care of before I head out, so I'm gonna just end it here. Good morning, guys. Sorry for my hair. So for today's vlog, we are just going to be doing the bathroom. So like literally right now, I bought Ace's like cage, so when I go to work, he's not roaming around the house and just pissing everywhere, because he is still has accidents. But yeah, so problem solved. And I do work long hours until I get myself on a strict schedule where like he could properly like learn when to like how long to hold his pee. We are using this for now. Also so I'll show you guys a better look. Also for when guest comes and I don't want him to, or maintenance or whatever, I'll just put him in here. This is not the definite place for it, but as of right now, since I don't have any dining room table, whatever, this is where it's gonna be. So we're just gonna open up some boxes and start putting the bathrooms together, and yeah. All right, so this is what I got for Ace. I got it off of Wayfair. Literally 2-day shipping. Amazing. So it's coming together because my biggest concern was Ace, because I don't want him roaming around the house peeing and, pooping and stuff like that, just because we're the only ones that live here. And I work like extremely long hours. So next is gonna be like a automatic feeder for him, but as of right now, like it's easy for people to come in and just feed him and then go, because Ace is kind of like, he's particular with who he fucks with. So this is good for now. I don't know if you guys can see me. Oh, the lighting here is so bad. I apologize. All right, so this is the first bag, actually. Where's the scissors? I really hope the scissors didn't fall into that crack over there. Whatever, I don't remember anymore. All right. Oh, this is small. Okay. So I got this to go on top of the toilet, but this is very small. So we might have to figure out another placement for it. That's disappointing. Or figure how to like work it out. We'll make it work. I got toilet paper, toilet bags. I lost the scissors. I'm disappointed. I'm very disappointed. Alright. Okay. So I got some shower caddies. I'm just gonna open it up a little bit. Okay. Shower caddies, check. Garbage bag, check. Oh, found the scissors. Alright, so next we're gonna open this big ass box. Ooh, not good. Alright. So I have my mats, my shower rugs, black, white, and gray. So the theme, that's literally the theme of it. I have my shower curtain. This is, I don't know what you call this, but it's for like your toothbrush and toothpaste holder thing, whatever. Toothbrush holder, literally. That's what it says. So I'll probably put like my face wash on this one and then use the other one, the small one, for the soaps. I think it'll fit, I'm not sure. We want to test it out. Just looks like this. And then last but not least, we have our trash can. Woo! I think this one is automatic. Yeah, this one's the automatic trash can. I don't know if I have to plug this in. Probably. And it's just black. So like my only issue for the bathroom is that I wanted to have like all black like stuff. Just have the mats and the shower curtains like a different color. But the plunger and the brush that cleans the toilet bowl is white because they didn't have a black one when I ordered it. So that's the only downfall. Alright, so you're gonna read the instructions. Is this a battery? Oh my goodness. Motion sensor trash can. Alright, so this needs batteries. So we're actually gonna install everything another day just because I am extremely tired. And I don't have batteries with me right now. I don't even know where it goes. So I have to go back to the house. That's where all the batteries are. So I can get batteries. I don't know where. Oh, this comes up. Ah, I found it. Alright, cool. So we're gonna get some batteries and then we're gonna make this work. I'm so excited. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Let me turn on the light. Okay, so right now we're gonna put together my bathroom. I don't know what's going on with the tub, but the water is like literally not going down as quick enough. So if you guys see water in the tub, that's why. So I'm pretty sure I showed you guys like the stuff that I bought for the bathroom. So today we're just gonna put them together in the correct places. I think I'm missing two things. What am I missing? Three things. I'm missing batteries for the trash can. I'm missing my towel warmer. My laundry baskets that I'm missing, and possibly I'm not too sure. Like if I want to change the shower. The shower nozzle, whatever you call it. So that's like a maybe. It doesn't bother me now, but like once I get the bathroom together, I'm gonna see how it. Obviously, it doesn't look good, but I'm gonna see what I could switch out for it. But as of right now, we're just gonna get the bathroom together, put everything in their spots. It's not gonna be permanent just because, like I said, I need like a basket, a laundry basket, and my towel warmer, which I'm still trying to decide. Is it foggy? It's foggy. Which I'm still trying to decide where I want to put the towel warmer. I don't know if I want to put it like right here or like right here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright, so we got this. Where does this go? I know it's under. I don't know why. Is it under? I think it's under. It makes more sense if it's under, but it's like it's not secure. That's ghetto. Alright, so toothbrush, toothpaste. Okay. I don't think this will fit. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. So I was so nervous that this wasn't gonna fit, but it fits. Alright. Cool. This is also my face wash. My face wash. I can't even like talk right now. Alright. That's very ghetto. Am I putting it like in the wrong spot? I guess that looks okay. Alright, so next we have the mats. If you hear rumbling and tumbling, it's just my washer going off because I'm washing some clothes. I'm gonna put this here. Where's my scissor? I don't know, I'll put the scissor. I feel so again, I forgot my stand. Excuse me. Alright, so these are the rugs that I got. The rugs, the mats for the bathroom. I feel like this should have been longer as well. Hi, Ace. I definitely have to close the bathroom door so he doesn't come and hit some X, Y, and Z all up in it. Okay. I'm actually loving this. Get up. Move, 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 move. Get off it. Right now, this is how the rug is looking like. I was so afraid that the toilet rug and then the tub was gonna like overlap, but it's not bad. I like it. It's pretty good. My only issue is because I didn't expect the sink to be this long and wide, so I feel like I'm gonna have to order a longer rug for the sink. I don't know how I feel, but like right now it would be nice if that one was long as well. But yeah, trash cans over here, rugs, mats, whatever you call it, good. My little toothbrush holder, good. So now we're just gonna install the shower caddies. I'm still trying to decide where, but we're gonna figure it out. With 3 caddies, one large, a medium, and then one for like soap. And then it's a peel and stick. So I don't know. I don't really need the soap one because I already have one built in. But yeah, so I'm trying to figure out where I should put it. Let's see. Probably like near the towels. I feel like this is gonna be crooked. Perfect. Okay, getting along. So far, this is how it looks. I don't know how I feel about the placement. So when I, shower in the morning, I'll see like how functional it is for me. But yeah, so this is how it is for now. I might switch it up. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I want to see how functional it is. So lastly, you're just gonna put the shower curtains, and then I think that's it. All right, so this is a setup as of right now. Obviously, there's still tweaking that needs to be involved. And yeah, so this is a shower curtain. I'm not too sure how I feel about it with the shower mats. So I don't know if I want to do it just a plain black shower curtain or switch it over to just have plain black mats, just like everything else. So I'm not too sure how it feels just because the tile is like brown and like it's not gray or like white, or you know what I mean? So it's hard, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Obviously, more tweaking needs to be involved. But this is it so far. Trash can right here. And then shower caddy. I might add a different shower head. And of course, more like storage caddies, I guess. But this is how it's looking like so far. Yeah, so stay tuned for more.